everyone, it's Shannon. I hope you are doing well and I hope you are staying creative during this time. I'm excited today to be sharing with you 5 springtime Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm going to be using items from my stash, so I have not gone out and purchased new items. These are things that I just had bought previously, probably about a month ago, and finally get to create with. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's 5 easy springtime DIYs. Project number 1, we're gonna make a cute outdoor thermometer decor piece. So I have one of the thermometers from Dollar Tree. I also have a 1x4 cut down to 20 inches long. It's all sanded, prepped and ready to go. I have a hammer, a foam paintbrush. This is my favorite acrylic paint by Decor in the color Traditional Burnt Umber. It's gonna give our sign a really pretty faux stained wood finish. I also have a sawtooth picture hanger for the back, some E6000, as well as a decal to dress it up. But the very first thing I'm going to do is paint my wood with the acrylic paint so it can get to drying. Here's my wood all painted or stained. That's why I really like that paint, because it shows the wood grain through really nicely. And now I'm gonna add a decal to the top of it. It says Garden Sweet Garden, and then I'll hang the thermometer underneath it. I used white Oracle number 651 vinyl for this and just designed it in my Silhouette Studio program. If you don't have a vinyl cutter, I will have this in my Etsy shop, which is crossinmyheart.com, and I'll link that down below. And that'll be an easy way to get over there if you want to make one of these for yourself, or even if you just want a Garden Sweet Garden little sign or something. You could put that on a flower pot or on a watering can. So lots of different things you can add decals to. But I'm going to add mine to the top of this wood sign here. Next, I have a hammer and also my sawtooth picture hanger. I want to add that onto the back. Before I glue my thermometer onto the front, I'm just going to use my E6000 to glue the thermometer underneath the decal. And now for our second project, we're gonna make a cute wreath style topiary. I don't remember if I got this from Dollar Tree or not, possibly. If not, I'm pretty sure most craft stores probably have them. It's for size, it is about the size of my hand, so it's smaller. And then from Dollar Tree, I have a set of 2 of their medium-sized terracotta pots, their green moss styrofoam, and other things I have on hand are some wire. This is kind of heavy gauge floral wire, my hot glue, and what I need to do first is add my styrofoam to one of the terracotta pots. I'm going to use my wire and my hot glue to help hold the wreath down in here, and then I'll hot glue on some of the moss to decorate the wreath, cover up the styrofoam, and then it'll be finished. And now for the third project, I'm going to use what I have on hand to create a terrarium style vase. Dollar Tree has these beautiful hurricane style glass containers that I thought would be so pretty to add a little succulent garden to. So I'm going to be using the moss that I used in the last project. I have some natural colored stones from Dollar Tree. Obviously I've used these before, so those are leftovers. And then at one point I picked up these cute little containers of succulents, but I think they're so cute. They're a little teeny smaller than the picks that they usually carry, so those will come out of the pots to go into here. If I had some sand, I probably would put sand in the bottom. So if you have sand, or if you're at Dollar Tree, grab some sand too. That would be really cute for like a tri-layer kind of look. Since I can't go to Dollar Tree right now, I'm gonna forgo the sand. I'm just gonna do rocks with a little bit of moss on top. I'm gonna pull these succulents out and stick them down in there, and it'll be a really simple and quick terrarium. And for the next project, I found these really cute hanging wood signs at Dollar Tree. And I thought it'd be cute to make a potting shed sign for my little potting station that is outside of the back door. So I do have another decal that says the potting shed on it. And I will have this again in my Etsy shop, which is crossingmyheart.com, and it will come completely ready to go. So you can just stick it on to whatever you'd like. But if you do have a vinyl machine, I'm using Oracle number 651 matte black vinyl for this. And I have a silhouette cameo that I use to cut my decals with. I also have some chalk paint in the color Elephant and white by Waverly, so those are from Walmart, and then a foam paintbrush for each. This sign is going to get a coat of gray chalk paint first, a solid coat, and then I'll dry brush on a couple coats of the white so it'll have that weathered wood look when it's all finished. And last but not least, I found these adorable gnomes at Dollar Tree. And I thought I'd just kind of give them more of an updated, farmhousey, modern, simplistic look. And I also have this spray paint. This one is called Extra Guacamole, and I've never used it before. And I thought for outside, that would be such a cute color. So one of them is going to be that green color. The other one is called Let's Get Cozy. So he'll be kind of a grayish color. And the last one, I'm just gonna paint white and make him extra neutral looking. I also have some clear matte spray paint that I'm going to seal them with. So if they go outside, they'll stay nice. And so let's go ahead and go outside and get to spray painting. I would love to hear how you are staying busy during this time. Are you crafting? Are you creating? Are you home renovating? Are you busy being a stay-at-home mom, or are you still working? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear. I hope that these 5 Dollar Tree spring DIYs inspired you. Please take a second and give this video a thumbs up for me. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button next to me. You can also watch tons more Dollar Tree DIYs linked below that. And come find me on Facebook and on Instagram for even more inspiration. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.